On Sunday, Party General Secretary To Lam, National Assembly Chairman Thanh, and other party and state leaders attended the Great National Unity Day event held in Bating Ward, Hanoi.
Bating Ward comprises 8 residential groups with over 2,200 households and a population of 8,000. Residents come from many walks of life, including state officials and party members. Throughout the years, local residents have upheld the party's guidelines, the state's laws, and actively participated in patriotic emulation movements. Congratulating the local achievements, National Assembly Chairman Thanh called on the Ward Fatherland Front to further innovate its operational methods.
The Ward Fatherland Front must organize a campaign, All People Unite, to build new rural areas and civilize urban areas more effectively, while promoting the role of public self-management. This must be closely linked with the movement of All People Protect the National Security. By effectively implementing grassroots democracy regulations, we can fully promote the people's mastery. Guided by the motto, the people know, the people discuss, the people do, the people inspect, the people supervise, and the people benefit.
On this occasion, the top legislator also urged the city to focus on gradually but comprehensively resolving issues related to traffic congestion, urban water, environmental water resources, and air pollution and flooding, and to strive to meet and surpass the socio-economic targets.